Hello there and welcome to the channel, and in particular the 92% of you who haven't subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, then consider subscribing. It helps us more than you will know, and it helps to support our channel to do bigger, better, more fancy videos. Anyway, I have some excellent news for you, apparently. And this is it, according to the RHS, and that is our Royal Horticultural Society, my favourite organisation. Slugs and snails will no longer be classed as a garden pest. Isn't that amazing? They say that out of the 44 species of slugs and snails in the UK, only 9 of them are responsible for the damage to your plants, and that leaves some others that don't do anything at all. Well, that's good news then. Slugs and snails no longer a pest. I can breathe easy. Now, why are they saying that? They say that slugs and snails have an important part in planet-friendly garden and also for maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Slugs are also in nature's natural recyclers, and they are also an important food source for animals and birds such as hedgehogs and birds. So this is my opportunity to walk around the garden and just check out some of the amazing recycling that some of these slugs and snails have done in my garden. Come on then. Look at that, excellent work. Actually, that's some of the best recycling that I've seen in a long time. And so is this, look at that, it's brilliant work. So there you have it. I've just shown you some reasons as to why you should appreciate your slugs and snails more, especially the work that they do in the garden. But of course, with every argument you need to have it a little bit balanced. So while the RHS is saying these are an underappreciated asset in your garden, I for one will say, what a load of absolute pot. Right, now, just before you go, if you want to see more content, more behind the scenes stuff, and images that I've taken of some weird freaky plants over the years, then you're in luck, because we've created an Instagram page. So you can find the link in our description, you can find the link on our main page, and if I'm clever enough I might be able to get a link somewhere up there. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more YouTube stuff, then check out this video here. That's quite a good one. And if it doesn't float your boat, then another one right there. And enjoy these while I still got the strength, imagination and aptitude to make them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.